Hi Aryan.
Hi, Mommy.
Say hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So today I will ask you
Yes,
sounds of letters. You have to tell me the sounds of letters. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Okay. First we will start from letter A.
Ah.
wait. So what is the sound of A?
Ah.
Look here. What is the sound of A?
Ah.
B,
B.
C, D,
D.
E.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun. See
Yes.
me play on my drum.
Yes. E,
A.
F, G,
G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. Gurgle.
Yes, good job. H,
Huh.
H.
When I hop, I feel hop. I hop, hopping around.
Okay. I,
E.
speak loudly.
Inky marks in my bed. She feels bed. The awning bed. E. E.
Okay, what is the sound of I?
E.
E. J,
J.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. What is the sound of Q? Kua. Kua. R, R. Yes. Then S. What is the sound of S?
The snake in the grass, the snake in the grass. The snake in the grass.
Yes. Then T.
T.
T. Yes. Then U.
Uh.
V.
Mm.
Yes. W.
W.
And X.
Mm.
X. What is the sound of X?
Then.
Okay. What is the sound of Y?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
what is the sound of Z?
Zebra. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like my video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.